Hey Bravo fam, our latest release is here and it's packed with fresh updates designed to make your daily tasks faster, easier, and more efficient. Let's dive in. Let's start with point of sale updates designed to keep your daily operations running smoother than ever. Finding customers just got easier. Now you can filter your searches by birthday. Enter their name and birth date, and Bravo will narrow down the results. Perfect for super quick searches. Performing reloans or reconsigns is better than ever. Select multiple items using checkboxes, expand the window to view the item details and photos, and add multiple items to a single ticket, all in just a few clicks. Need to make a change to a consignment? Now you can edit splits and dates without redoing the entire thing, making the process faster and more flexible. Great news! We've refreshed the consignment tab with a modern design, standardizing labels and improved hover behaviors, so managing consignments is clearer and more efficient. Repairs just got a big boost. Now you can add inventory items to repairs with adjustable pricing and security controls, giving you better tracking and inventory management. Want clearer visibility into customer interactions? We've added an employee columns to the contact history, letting you filter by employee and track non-home store activity for better accountability. Managing large reports is now easier than ever. You can load a custom number of rows and sort them in ascending or descending order for better data visibility. No more splitting up your reports. Yes, please. Speaking of better reports, we've added new filters specific to jewelry in our ad hoc reporting, giving you more control and flexibility in your reporting needs. Processing web orders just got a major efficiency boost. With new search columns, auto returns after order completion, and order age visibility in hours, you'll be able to fulfill orders faster than ever. You can now assign tax groups directly to your SKUs, giving you more flexibility with tax management while ensuring accuracy for reporting and compliance. Now let's explore some powerful new configurations designed to give you even more control over your daily tasks. Security just got smarter. Our biometric scanner now allows you to save and verify fingerprints for secure redemption and pickups. Want to simplify check printing? Now you can store employee signatures in Bravo and print them directly on checks. No need for the signer to physically be present. Our workstation configuration got a revamp. You can now disable both timed and back to dashboard lockouts, keeping you moving without interruptions. California users, this one's for you. The Cap Upon ticket has been updated to 2025, including adjustable layouts and signature placements. Reach out to our support team to activate this compliance update. Bravo now lets you automatically charge a service fee for credit card transactions, reducing manual work and helping increase profits. Now let's move into some important updates for firearm transactions with the latest E4473 improvements. Starting off with some really big news. Bravo now offers a fully integrated range management solution. Reserve a lane, track lane times, rent out firearms, and handle flexible payments all in one place. Ever had a customer pick up their firearm and decide to buy another after you've already started the process? Now you can simply add the firearm sale to the same E4473 you're working on. Fast, simple, and hassle-free. Speaking of upgrades, Bravo now offers a Spanish version of the E4473 to make firearm transactions more accessible for Spanish-speaking customers. We've upgraded the E3310 messaging. Now, when the manual 4473 is used, Bravo highlights exactly which firearms need attention, making it easier than ever to complete the form and stay compliant. Take control of your compliance. You can now turn E4473 watermarks on or off to match your store's preferences. Flexible, professional, and fully compliant. Now let's check out some exciting improvements coming soon to Bravo mobile apps. Calling all managers, mobile approvals with Shopkeeper just got better. You already had the flexibility to approve on the go, and now with even more details at your fingertips, you can make smarter, faster decisions anytime, anywhere. Consignments have gone mobile. Customers can now view consigned items, chat with your store, and access consignment terms directly in the mobile apps. Need to unblock a mobile app account? Now you can do it directly from the customer's profile in Bravo for faster customer service. And that's a wrap on our January release. These updates are designed to help you work smarter, faster, and with even more flexibility. For more details, be sure to check out our full release notes. If you have any questions or want help getting these features set up, give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, we can't wait to hear how these updates make a difference in your store.